What's going on, homesteaders? What's happening? It's another Tuesday, so it's time for Talk About It Tuesday, so let's go ahead and talk about it. Come on. Come on. Well, I'm excited this week. Let me tell you why I'm excited. I'm excited because we hit 100 subscribers this week. I've been making videos now for 6 weeks, and we finally hit 100 subscribers, and honestly, it came a little bit faster than I thought it was going to. And I'm very thankful for that. So I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate everybody that has subscribed and has shared these videos on your social media and hit those notification bells so you know whenever I'm posting videos. It sure does mean a lot to me, and it sure does help this channel. And if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe and follow me along on this journey where I'm trying to take this 7 acres of raw woods and turn it into a homestead. And in these times, with as crazy as things are right now, especially with another lockdown looming, you know, it's a good time to go ahead and get this started. That's why I've been adding so much here lately. Just added 2 more hens the other day my brother brought up to me. And Friday I also added a dapple boar goat. She's pregnant. She's due in March. So right now all 3 does that I got are pregnant. I got 1 due in December. I got 1 due in March, and old Rose there, the white one, she actually just got bred this month. So in about 5 months we should have a baby there. And adding a couple more chickens. I almost got the predator-proof chicken coop done. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you can see when that part 2 of that video comes out. There's some real good content on there about how to keep the predators out of your chicken run. And put a lot of time in it and a lot of thinking, and I think it's turning out real well. I can't wait to get the video edited and get that out to you guys. But on this Talk About It Tuesday, I just wanted to take a little time just to stop and say thank you for subscribing, and thank you for sharing my videos. It means a lot. And I'm going to keep going. You know, I originally started this just to kind of document me taking raw woods here and turning it into a homestead and bringing you guys along with me as a little documentary thing. And to try to teach people along the way different skill sets and stuff that I use out here, and also to be able to learn from you guys as well. You know, when I'm messing up, or different ideas and different thoughts on how to do things. And then even in 6 weeks now, I've learned quite a bit already, and it's been quite the journey, and I'm sure having a good time with it. It also allows me to kind of tap into my creative side with the video editing and filmmaking. And I'm actually enjoying that quite a bit. I've learned a ton. I mean, 6 weeks ago I knew nothing about all of this, and I think I'm almost at 20 videos now. I think this video right here will actually be 18. So 18 videos in 6 weeks, and some of them are pretty lengthy. Not too bad, not too bad. And I can't wait to grow and learn and make my videos better for you guys. So stick around. We're only going to get better. I strive to do the best that I can and to try to improve every day. So I'm going to take y'all along on that journey with me. But we're going to get back on track right after this. Now that the election's over with and also the hurricane has moved on, we're going to try to get back on schedule and do at least 3 videos a week. We definitely have missed the last 2 Fired Up Fridays where we cook every Friday. We're definitely going to get back on track on that because, whoo, boy, look at here. I need to have me some good groceries. I ain't been eating as good as I normally do here lately because I've been too busy. So I'm definitely going to slow down a little bit and go ahead and get another Fired Up Friday video out there for you guys. And don't know exactly what I'm going to cook yet, but I'm sure it's going to be good and different. You know, I try to cook different as much as possible and explore and try new things here on this channel. So I got an idea in my head, and I think we're going to do that. And make sure, like I said before, make sure you hit that notification bell because that'll be coming out Friday, and I think it's going to be one that you don't want to miss. Well, I'm not going to make a long video today. I just wanted to take the time out of my day to stop and kind of let y'all know thank you for helping me hit 100 subscribers. And I look forward to growing even more. So let's get this video out there and share it with your friends so we can start working on 200. Come on. You know, and the main thing about this channel is it's really about teaching kids. You know, if you have children or whatever, show them my videos and show them what it's about as far as homesteading and building things and kind of taking stuff from nature and stuff that, you know, is just from raw materials and actually turning it into something and being able to have the pride in your work and your accomplishments. Well, until we see each other again, guys, come on, let's go homesteading.